Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Amirul bin Karunizam. My metro number is A21HP0080 and today I will teach you guys about polymer. So in this video, lesson objective is at the end of the lesson, you should be able to describe type of polymer and give example of each of the polymer. Okay, first of all, what is a polymer? Okay, polymer is a large molecule that is in the form of a long chain with a high relative molecular mass, or we can call it as RMM. This polymer is made up of many small units called monomer, which are joined together through a process that called polymerization. Thus, the monomer is actually the repetitive unit of a long polymer chains. Okay, if you can see in the slide, there are many of the components of the monomer that combine together to make a long chain of polymer, and the process we call it as the polymerization. Okay, the polymer have two types. The first type is the natural polymer, and the second one is the synthetic polymer. Okay, let's look at the natural polymer. Okay, this occur naturally in the living things. Some of example of the natural polymer are DNA, rubber, protein, and cellulose. Natural polymer are made up of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and also oxygen. Let's look at the synthetic polymer. Okay, this synthetic polymer is a polymer that is manufactured in the industry from a chemical substances through the polymerization process. For example of the synthetic polymer are plastic, as we use every day, synthetic fiber, and elastomer. Okay, let's look at the example of natural and the synthetic polymer. Let's do some comparison. Okay, the natural polymer are made by a living organism, while the synthetic polymer are made by a chemical in the reaction in the lab. Example of the natural polymer are DNA, rubber, cellulose, and wool, while the synthetic polymer are nylon, polyester, Teflon, and epoxy. Okay, let's look at the type and the uses. Okay, the first one I want to explain is about polyethylene. Okay, polyethylene is function to make a clean film, plastic bag, sheets, and barrels. Second one is the polyvinyl chloride. Okay, the function of the polyvinyl chloride is to make furniture waterproof and insulating materials. And the last one is that we always find in our home and everywhere is Teflon. Okay, Teflon is made to create the iron pot saucepan, bridge bearing, and inside lining of the engine parts. Okay, that's all for me. I hope you can understand what is the type of polymer and what is polymer in our environment. That's all for me. Thank you.